What's up? Tim Sykes here, chilling in bed. Leave a comment underneath this video if you want to learn how to make money in a bear market. Say yes or no. Some people don't want to make money in a bear market. Some people like losing money. Some people have childhood issues and then they, play them out subconsciously through their financial, failures. I don't know. So that's actually important. I know you think I'm kidding, but leave a comment below if you even want to learn how to make money in a bear market. I can only teach you if you're serious. As you can see, I'm teaching very seriously from bed here. But this is the laptop lifestyle. This is what's possible. And I want to show you that. So what is, if you did answer yes, or if you're still watching, what is one way to make money in a bear market? Or what is the best way? I have patterns on the long side, but you should also learn how to short sell. I've made millions going long. I've made millions going short. And in a bear market, 3 out of 4 stocks follow the market. A bear market is defined by the market's dropping pretty big. I know different people have different percentages, but so far, at the end of 2018, we have slipped into the formal definition of a bear market. And I know that there is money to be made short selling. So for me, I'm looking for stocks that are spiking the most. Everything starts and ends with big percent winners for me. I don't really look at stocks that are down a lot when they're down 30, 40, 50% on the day. They're kind of different companies. I don't like shorting stocks down that big, even if the news is pretty bad, because sometimes the news is already priced in. I really like shorting big winners, and big winners up for the wrong reasons. So in the past few days, there have been a few stocks, UXIN, MRIN, which have tripled in the past few days with, they had deals with Alibaba and Google. Very good news. But they didn't triple right away. They actually tripled over several days because early shorts got squeezed. And that opens the door to some opportunity. So in a bear market, everyone's looking for the shorts. And you have to kind of think a little differently. You shouldn't be looking for shorts right away. I know this is counterintuitive. You're like, come on, Tim, I want to make money. But trust me, there's a lot of newbie shorts in the game right now, and they jump at anything that's up, and they say, ooh, bear market, stock up, let me short. They think kind of like cavemen. Like, ooh, stock up, let's short. And those early shorts actually, sometimes they're right, but sometimes when they're wrong, oftentimes when they're wrong, the stock keeps going and it creates a short squeeze. And because I'm telling you about this, you should be aware of it. UXIN, MRIN, 2 perfect examples of short squeezes. They both had good news, but they spiked one day and then not much. Then on day 2, day 3, day 4, they really began spiking. Not because everyone was excited about the news that was already out, but because the early shorts were getting squeezed. And so start looking 3, 4, 5, 6 days in at a big percent winner and start seeing, wait a minute, is it up too much? If it's up too much, it's probably a short squeeze. And that way you start looking at things a little differently. You do start to look at short selling, but not on day 1, not on day 2 of a big spike. Give it some time, have some patience. Don't be like most short sellers. Don't be like most newbies who are looking to make money all the time. In a bear market, there are less money-making opportunities. It's not the end of the world. The market will rebound. I am pretty sure. I don't know exactly when. I don't know how bad the bear market gets. Don't bother asking me that. But you need to start thinking a little differently. In bull markets, I don't just chase anything. I wait for big panics to dip by. Because then you usually have dip buyers and you have short sellers who are covering. So having patience, thinking of myself as a retired trader and being patient enough to wait for better opportunities gives me, better odds of success. In a bear market, always looking to short, but not jumping at the short immediately, not chasing shorts like too many newbies do. That gives you better odds. It's really a game of patience because obviously I know you want to make money. I want to make money too. But if you want to make money too bad and you start forcing trades like most traders do, you will not make money. You will make losses. you will lose like 90% of traders do, because they're always looking for money. They're always looking for hot picks. They want action. Don't look for action, okay? Oftentimes the best trade is no trade, and in a bear market, that's especially true. Be safe. Wait for the opportunities to come to you. Trust me, they will. Because most people don't study. Most people aren't like you. They're not meticulous. They want it all right away. And you shouldn't try to change them. You should thank them for their ignorance and their gambling addiction, and then take advantage of it. Because early shorts, early longs create opportunities if you're patient. Leave a comment just below if you like what I'm saying, and if you promise to be patient. That way you can profit too. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.